Hey friends, wanted to show you a quick way to tie up your ratchet straps when you're done using them so they store easy and they don't get tangled up. I've seen a lot of other methods out there where you have to, keep your bundle nice and straight. The straps have to lie flat and be all on the same plane and all of that. And realistically, no one wants to take that much time to wrap up their strap. This method, you get it quick and easy and secure. It doesn't have to be super pretty, but it works great. So at the end of the day, when you're done using your ratchet strap, you just pull both ends all the way out. So you've got your hook end and the tag end here, and all you've got to do is just start looping it up. So this doesn't have to be really pretty. It's just got to be in kind of these long loops, okay? So when you get close to the ratchet, let's do one more loop. This is the most important part. You've got to have your straps come opposite directions. So you kind of just pinch it, wrap it opposite directions like this, because now as you tighten up your ratchet, it cinches down on your loops, kind of makes a nice little bow, and it's nice and tight. If you want, you can hang this up, right? Hang that up in your garage or whatever. Or if you don't want this hook, if you're just throwing it in a bag, you don't want to get hooked up with the other ones. Some other way to do this is you just put it up through the kind of the belt that you've formed right there. Give it a couple more cranks so it's nice and tight, and now your hook is buttoned up real nice and snug, and it's not going to get tangled up with the other ones in your bag. That's it.